Hello friends, this is me Leneha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the most hyped up product in Korea this winter. That is LANEIGE Cream Skin Refiner. The product claims that utilizing LANEIGE cream blending technology, the cream skin refiner reinforces skin's barrier with amino acid derived from white leaf tea water to offer instant moisture to skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and soft. Suitable for dry, oily and sensitive skin, can be used as a toner, moisturizing skin pack and as a mist. So the packaging is regular LANEIGE packaging with reflective pattern on it and their trademark blue and white colors on it. Now the bottle itself is a heavy frosted glass bottle and comes with a pamphlet that has entire information on the ingredients and how to use it. The bottle has quite some weight to it which gives lavish feel, but I am so afraid of dropping it, to be honest. The cap has a stopper in it to prevent the product from flowing or leaking. It comes sealed tightly and it required a bit more force to remove than the usual. The hole on the bottle is quite narrow, due to which you cannot spill the product easily. Cream Skin Refiner has color of milk and consistency which is thick than a water. It has no smell to it. It blends really nicely into the skin. My skin is really dry and that's my only issue in this winter. So let's use it. You have to shake the bottle a lot for the product to come out, and it also says to shake well before use. So here my skin has literally drank all the cream skin refiner instantly. So this as a toner, and me with very dry skin, I can only say that it is a very hydrating skin refiner and I don't think my skin is irritated by it at all. Now I will use it for a good 2 weeks and will let you know my views. So after 2 weeks, I can say that my skin is so dry that I had to apply the cream skin refiner twice. It moisturizes my skin really well. It for sure enhances your skin barrier. I have been going a lot out in the sun and I have tanned, but my skin was never irritated. For a dry skin type, it never made my skin sticky. I guess in summer I will use this only after washing my face, and that's it. For winters, I will be requiring a proper routine, which I'm doing right now. You can use this as a mist too. I will rate it 4.5 by 5, minus 0.5 for very high price, but it's gentle and not harmful unlike other products out there. I will definitely repurchase it. This is me Leneha Junsu signing off. Please do comment, like and subscribe. Bye.